How to choose a profitable niche. Now, this is where things are going to get interesting. This is one of the most important parts of the training. You need to make sure that the niche that you're going to go in, the market that you're going to enter, is going to be a profitable one. So what I like to do is I like to write down a few of my different interests or things that I'm passionate about. So you're going to want to go ahead and do that. Write down at least, three to 10 things that interest you and that you're passionate about, or that you're passionate about. And then what you want to do is you want to go to magazines.com and dummies.com and verify that there is money to be made. Because if there are magazines and how-to books, there's a really good chance that it's going to be a profitable niche for you. So you can see I've gone ahead and I've written down like 7 different things that interest me. And I know from experience that most of these are going to be really profitable niches, but one of them probably is not going to be the greatest of niches. So what I like to do is, once you have your list of things that interest you, things that you're passionate about, go ahead and you want to browse through. You want to browse through both magazines and Dummies. I'm sure you recognize the Dummies brand. The Dummies brand, they make how-to guides, and you can be sure that if they have taken the time to write a how-to guide, a how-to book that's going to cost them tens of thousands, maybe hundreds of thousands of dollars to put together and send out to all the stores, the Barnes and Nobles across the world, put it on Amazon. If they're going to create a book, there's a really good chance that it's a profitable niche. And the way that you can do that is just go right to Dummies, and then you can go on the shop for books and more. And over here on the left-hand side, you can see all the different categories that there are. And you can see I've chosen internet marketing, working out, staying healthy, playing video games. I love my dog, who's a bulldog, and I love going fishing. So what I want to do is I'm going to concentrate on this working out and staying healthy. That's what I want to focus on primarily. And if we look over on the left-hand side, you can see there's fitness right here. And inside of the fitness niche, there's all these different books that they've gone ahead and put together at a huge cost. So a little bulb should go off on your head that if there's a book about it on dummies.com, there's a very good chance that you can make money as a niche blogger in that niche. And we can go through some of these other ones. I also like the fishing. If we go here, I'm sure that's going to be like maybe under hobbies. Pets. They got all kinds of books about pets. If you're in the pet niche, you can really, there's a lot of different products out there. So as you can see, you can scroll through here and make sure that if there is a book about the topic that you're in, the niche that you're interested in, there's a really good possibility that you can go ahead and make some money in that niche. You can see they break their pets category down into birds, cats, dogs, general. We'll go ahead to dogs. You can see there's all these different topics on dogs. And people who have dogs, they're very passionate about their dogs and they're willing to spend money. So I like to just scan through the store. It's also a good place to come up. If you can't come up with any ideas for a product, go to these 2 places. Zero in on something that maybe has some interest to you. Magazines works kind of the same way. They have all their categories. Once again, if there is a magazine about that interest that you have, there's a real good possibility that you can make some money in it. So that's simple. That's how to choose a profitable niche. First off, make sure it's something that you're interested in, because if you're not interested in the topic, chances are you're not going to have any desire to work on your blog or put content or work on your business at all if you're not interested in it. So make sure that it's something that interests you. And then verify that there's money to be made by visiting magazines and Dummies. And then you can rest assured that if there is a magazine or a how-to book in that category or in that niche, there's a real good chance that it's going to be a profitable niche. I'll see you in the next video.